How to use social trading. The social trading feature allows you to monitor the progress of other traders, view the rankings of the most successful ones, and copy their trades. In this section, you can see how much profit other users make per trade on the trading platform. The ranking shows the most profitable trades and updates every minute. In the drop-down menu, you can see the list of top-ranked traders in the last 24 hours, the top 100 best traders, or the most profitable trades. How to start copying the trades of successful traders? Select a trader in the social trading section and click Copy in the pop-up window. You can adjust the following parameters in the Copy Settings window. The Copy in Proportion setting allows you to customize the percentage ratio between the amount of the copied trade and the original one. The Stop Balance setting allows you to set the balance amount at which copying will be stopped. Here you can set the minimum amount for any copied trade. The next setting allows you to set the maximum amount for any copied trade. Click Confirm to save the settings. The complete list of traders you are currently copying or have copied before is available in the List of Copied Traders section. If you wish to stop copying a trader, open the List of Copied Traders, choose a trader, and click Stop Copying. In this section, you can see everyone who is copying you and also prohibit specific traders from doing so. To follow a trader, simply select their profile and click Watch. The list of watched traders contains a list of traders whose success you are monitoring without copying trades. Customize social trading in a way that works for you. Enable the Display Social Trades function to see other users' trades on the chart. Enable the Watch Copied Trader function so they are automatically added to your watch list. Use the Hide My Profile feature if you do not want other traders to be able to copy your trades. The Show Only Watch Traders function allows you to show only the traders whose trades you are monitoring on the chart. Trade and earn with Pocket option.